Hello everyone again. We are back in the Mad Scientist Lab for part 3 of What in the Heck's Wrong with Fuzz Aldrin. For you guys that have already watched the first 2 parts, you know that this fuzz was returned to me. It had some strange problem. The signal wasn't getting through. The light would work okay. Volume wasn't doing anything. Opened it up and didn't really find anything wrong. Found maybe one solder blob. Moved a couple of things around. I still couldn't get it to behave the way the guy described, but he did send me a picture of the power supply he was using, and it was an Electro Harmonix. And it put out the 9.6 volt DC and 200 milliamps. So I thought maybe we were running into a low power situation. Maybe this fuzz is a lot more power hungry than I thought. So I built this gizmo to figure out what the impedance was here. And once I knew the voltage and the resistance, I could calculate what the current was. And it wound up being like 4 milliamps, which is a heck of a lot lower than 200. So anyway, today's experiment is going to be with the troublesome fuzz and the identical power supply that created the problem in the first place. All right, I'm going to get this stuff hooked up and I'm going to go play it. All right, that's the Electro Harmonix power supply. You guys can tell me if I'm saying that right. Is it Electro Harmonix or is it Electro Harmonix? Don't know. Slip on this lens here. Try the fuzz now. Now, I don't hear any clicking and popping. It seems like it's fuzzing as I would have expected. I don't hear any issues. Well, I am going to call that mystery solved, but the only problem that I have with that is that problems that go away on their own generally come back on their own. I don't know. I'm going to hang on to this one, and hopefully it'll screw up again in the future, and I'll be able to debug it when it's broken. All right, I'm going to call this project done, and that is that. Y'all take care and be safe.